Stop waiting. You're waiting for a savior, a mentor, or a miracle to knock on your door and hand you your dreams. But here's the harsh reality. No one is coming. Every day you wake up and hope for a change, but you don't make the change. You expect the world to adapt to you. That's not how this works. You are the architect of your own undoing and your own salvation. The moment you realize that the weight of your life rests entirely on your shoulders, you stop complaining. Complaints are for people who think someone else is responsible. You aren't one of them. You take control. You embrace the discipline. If this resonates, drop a yes in the comments if you're taking full responsibility today. Let's hold each other accountable. It's just you. It's always been you. That fear, that's your compass. Follow it. That discomfort, that's your growth. Build your habits, master your mind, and win in silence. You don't need permission to be great. Just get to work.